Jeremy took part in a cycling expedition. This line graph, it will show the total distance cycled by Jeremy from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Oh my god, 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Why is he cycling? Okay, they said during which 1 hour period was the distance cycled by Jeremy the greatest. Now, let's find from which period, which 1 hour period. From 1 a.m. to 2 a.m., what's the distance? See, 1 a.m. is at 4. This is 4. 2 a.m. is at 12. So the difference is only what? 12 minus 4, which is 8. Okay, let's look at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is at each of it is only 4. Why? How I know is because this is 8, but there are 2 spaces. So 8 divided by 2 spaces is 4. So this one is 4. Okay, so which means that each increment is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 3 a.m. is 4 above 24, which is 28. Okay, 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. is 28 from 12. So if 28 minus 12, that will be 14 km. So from here to here is 14 km. Now let's look at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. over here will be 4 above 32 is 36. So it's 36 minus 28, that will be 8 km. 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. Let's look at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. is 40. 4 a.m. is 36. So 40 minus 36 will be 4 km. Okay, so which of them is the greatest? Obviously, it's this one. Okay, so this is the 1 hour period in which the distance cycled was the greatest. So it is 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. So remember to get right, 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. That's actually the answer. Do not just do your working then never write, you will not be awarded any marks. Okay, done. Simple.